Video, I'll be showing you all the steps that I took to achieve this look. So stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to my channel. So I'm starting off with her hair already being braided down because I took a little break and then I came back and I was like, this braid down is way too neat for me not to record. So I said, let me turn on my camera real quick. And she also bought a net, and I've been dying to do a half up, half down with a net. So, and she brought a hard net. I just love sewing on a hard net because it makes it more secure. And it also protects my client's hair. Instead of sewing onto the braids, I am sewing onto the net, which is better. And plus the net makes it last better because when your braids get old, the net just holds the braids in there. So anywho, all I do is sew onto the first braid all around the circle braid to secure the net onto her hair. After I'm done sewing on the net, then I'm going to cut the excess off. Then I'm going to flat iron her out. Then I'm going to add some beeswax and some pump it up spray to slick down the front. And make a ponytail. I try to make sure this ponytail is sleek as possible, so that's why I'll go over a few times with the blow dryer, and then you have to make sure the blow dryer is on cool. Don't be blow drying the hair when it's hot because your client's gonna get burnt. And also make sure the ponytail is well in the center. At first, I was gonna let her ponytail just be in that bun, but her hair is way too long, so I was just gonna I'm gonna have to braid it anyway, so I'm gonna braid it down. Then I'm gonna secure it with a rubber band, and then I'm going to wrap the braid around the ponytail and just start sewing on to the back while the ponytail is drying with the spritz and the beeswax. Now I'm just showing you guys that I'm about to double track her hair. So I'm doubling the tracks in the back, and then the next bundle, that's when I'll be single tracking, which it makes it a lot more flatter. Else that would make your sewing really flat is flat ironing the weft at the top to make it more sturdier or flexible to fold back when flipping your tracks over. I do have a tutorial on how to do a sew-in, and I will list it here. But yeah, this is the end result. You see how when I comb back the hair, you cannot see not one track. I like to do this method with my clients that is natural because they don't want to keep on dealing with their hair being flat ironed. And the next time I do a video, I'll probably go more in depth on how to do the Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial or video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more.